Welcome to Bellman Woodworking and Designs with me, Brent Bellman. Today we're going to check out how to make one of these, a spline jig. So let's check it out and see how you can make one of these yourself. Alright, so for this project I just used some 3/4 inch plywood that I had lying around, and you can see here that I'm just gluing it around my fence, and I notice I'm not clamping it because you don't want it super tight. You want the jig to be able to move. So I just set it in place and glued it, and then used some brad nails to just hold it in place while the glue dried. But again, don't clamp it to your fence when you're doing this. You want it loose enough to move, but you still want it secure so it's not going to wobble around. If it's wobbling around, then it won't work. Once I did that, then I had another piece of 3/4 inch plywood that I just cut to be a little bit smaller. I guess you could cut it the same size. For me, this is just the scrap that I had, so I glued it on there and then added some brad nails again to hold it in place, and this just made the whole process go quicker, and I made sure to make it high enough so it have stability for any kind of boxes or frames or anything that I'd be putting on there and using with the jig. So you can decide how tall or how short you want your jig to be, but give it enough room to be able to hold any kind of projects that you may be putting on the jig itself. So right here I just found the middle of the jig, and I used my right angle there just to be able to find where 45 degrees was. So you can see I'm tilting it down where the 45-degree mark is on there, and just marking that and drawing my lines. And I did the same thing on the other side. So just flipped it around and moved it where it is the 45-degree mark, and then drew my line. And these are just scraps, and I left these just a little bit high, just so they wouldn't come in contact to the blade. I guess you could run them all the way down, it wouldn't matter, because once the saw blade cuts it once, it should be, cutting in some other place. The main thing is just that the box higher up is going to be secure, so really the bottom of the pieces of wood shouldn't matter. But added some glue to those, and then again threw some brad nails in there just to help hold it in place while the glue was drying. And do be careful, don't leave your fingers in the way of the brad nail. That can always be dangerous. So at this point, your jig is ready to go, and you can just add a box in there, and it's just a matter of looking at the edges of your box on your miter and just seeing how far up you want the blade to go. It depends on the thickness of your box, but just test it where the blade is going to line up, where the height is, and then from there you can make your cut. Alright, so this is our final product, and as you can see, this was a super easy, super simple jig to make that you can make with scraps that are lying around your shop. For me, this jig took, in real life, maybe 10 or 15 minutes to build, and it's something that I can use over and over again to make work like picture frames or boxes look a lot nicer and better and give them strength as I'm making them. So super cool jig that you can make with scraps lying around your shop. Thank you for watching this video, and thanks for coming to my channel. If you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel and other videos I'm doing, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below also. I just really enjoy being able to share my projects with you guys. So thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. I hope this has inspired you for your next project, for your next build in your shop. So until next time, be safe, keep learning, keep building.